Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're amazing. I hope you're so well. It's present day Emma. You're about to watch the Ibiza vlog. I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I had such a great time. I had so much fun that I spent the past few days in Ibiza with Tequila Rose. I'm just going to premise this by saying that I go between calling it Tequila Rose and Tequila Rosé. The correct pronunciation is Tequila Rose, but it's so ingrained in me to call it Tequila Rosé because it's what me and my friends have always called it that I did struggle to correct myself a few times. So it's Tequila Rose. If you've never tried Tequila Rose, then for a start you've definitely never been out with me and my friends because it is one of our drinks of choice. Definitely mine. If I go out, you best believe the chances are very high that I'm gonna get a tray of Tequila Rose in. It's a strawberry cream liqueur with tequila. It's pink, it's so delicious. It tastes like strawberry milk. It's the perfect pre-drink drink because you don't need to have had a few drinks for it to go down easy. It is like first drink, tastes delicious, and you can drink it all night. But I just felt super lucky and blessed to go on this trip, and it was one of those career moments that I just felt really grateful. So I wanted to just pop on before the vlog starts to say a massive thank you to you guys for supporting me and my channel, so that I get to do fun things like this because it is a huge privilege. And I also just wanted to say a huge thank you to the Tequila Rose team that we were away with. Ash, Anna and Brad. They were so accommodating. Also Nick and his lovely wife Rachel. You know what? The whole team was so accommodating and helpful and relaxed, and they couldn't do enough for us. Such a lovely team to go away with, and I'm super grateful that they invited me and I had so much fun. Obviously I'm going to link some stockists for Tequila Rose down below because if you haven't tried it yet then you absolutely should. You're going to see a lot of it in this vlog because I drank a lot of it. So as always, I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Next week's vlog we are back to regular scheduled programming, but I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you at the end.
Traveling only in my head, from the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity perfect peace, and now forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. We just arrived, we had a couple of drinks at the bar and we've just come up to our room and it is... Oh, hello. Little knock at the door.
I'll check you in rather than you going all the way downstairs.
Oh, thank you. 1 second, Nick. Where is my passport? Why can't I find you? Sorry, our lovely host Nick just needed my passport. Let me give you a little room tour. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. So you walk in. I really like the layout. It's quite interesting. So this is the door. And then you walk in straight into the bathroom. So we got Jack and Jill sinks, toilet, and then shower. And then here is the room. And obviously Tequila Rose have set us right up. So we've got cute little shot glasses, obviously the goods themselves, crisps, strawberries, towels, a little beach bag, lip balm, slides. This hat is pretty intense. It is absolutely gorgeous. Obviously you guys know I'm here with Tequila Rose. I'm so excited. It is my shot of choice. Wait, hang on. Oh, look at that. Look at that! That's our balcony! Stunning. Right, I only have about half an hour to get myself from this to pool party ready. So I need to rush and get ready. And then we're gonna go out. We're gonna go to Ibiza Rocks. We're going for lunch and then we're going to Ibiza Rocks. I'll show you all my outfits. I'm so excited to get glam because right now I feel like a toe. First tequila rose shot of the trip. Cheers.
Oh, it's pink milk. Delicious.
It's strawberry milkshake.
That is delicious.
It's boozy strawberry milkshake. Outfit number 1 for lunch. Alright, ladies and gents, it's the first event. We're going for lunch. Cafe Mamba. Let's go for some munch, baby. This is my outfit. I've already shown you, but something simple for before we go all out for the pool party. I'm quite a few tequila rosés down. Oh yeah.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds.
It's quite windy, so you probably can't hear me, but we've come for a lovely lunch. We're on the sangria, and I have ordered a chicken Caesar salad, which sounds perfect right now. It's so warm and beautiful. This is my view. And you are... I mean, obviously I'm upstaging the view. Yeah, it's a view with a view. Which would you rather? Which would you rather though?
I'm a whiskey man through and through.
Ah! So it's gonna be
4-star martinis, but have the egg white in it.
I can't wait.
The food looks so good. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. Oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca. Just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we're here chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on break.
That's so good.
I'm sat right next to a fan, so you might not be able to hear me. But we've come for dinner. We're having tapas. Don't watch me. We're having tapas. We just got back from Ibiza Rocks and had a super fun day in the sun. Got one DJ'd and he's actually sat right next to us right now. He's on the table next to us. I'm fangirling, I actually am. I'll show you what I get. And it's going to be amazing. And I'm wearing a little yellow dress, I'll show you. I'll get a full length shot in a minute when we finish.
I'll put my hands up.
Cheers! Oh, it's like aniseed. It's like a weak sambuca. Good evening. I didn't show you my outfit before dinner because we were in a rush. But this is what I wore to dinner. This little dress is Opoly. It's like a halter neck situation. And I love it. I love this colour. I'm actually, yeah, this is probably one of my new favourite dresses. Me gusta mucho. Right, I'm going to bed. I'm so tired. I'm going to bed. See you tomorrow for another fun day. Good morning, everybody. We are not hungover. It's actually, I feel fresh. It's 12 o'clock the next day and we're going on a boat. We're gonna go get some food on a boat, have some tequila rose. I am on brand. I'm matching the drink today. Get some nice pictures. Yesterday was so fun. So we went to Ibiza Rocks and I saw Gokwan, which was kind of a fangirl moment for me. We went out for a tapas, which I showed you. And then honestly, because I'd had about 3 hours sleep because we got a 3:30 taxi yesterday morning. So we had like a 20-hour day in total yesterday. So I basically fell asleep at dinner at the table. I was like, I need to go home. I'm tired. But I think tonight I'm in it for the long haul. I need to get some coffee in my system because I made one this morning and I spilt it. So I need coffee and I need some tequila. But we are getting on a bus to go on a boat. I hope you can't hear too much of the background noise, and this is my view. And there's lots of people, so. But we just had such a lovely day out on the boat, and I have literally got 10 minutes to go from this. I just got changed into my pink bikini, I'll show you in a minute. But I've got 10 minutes to do 6 shots of tequila rosé, get myself Ibiza Rocks ready, top up my makeup a little bit, hopefully my hair to dry so that I can crimp it before I go. Cheers. I'm gonna whack on a bit of concealer. And that is where I left you. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty hungover on the second day. And we had to get up early and then our flight was delayed. So I just edited all of my pictures in the airport and then we flew home and I passed out. So that was my Ibiza trip. I am so happy with this vlog. It's so fun and it was so fun. I hope you guys saw how much fun I had and how much I love going out. You know that your girl loves a party. I love a night out. It's my favorite thing. Like, I don't know when I'm gonna grow out of it, but I'm not over it yet. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you to Tequila Rose for sponsoring this video. What a dream. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.